A lineman, also known as a line worker, is responsible for installing and maintaining electrical power systems, telecommunication lines, and other essential utilities. Their day-to-day duties include climbing poles, repairing outages, and working with high-voltage equipment. It's physically demanding, but also one of the most rewarding careers out there. On average, a journeyman lineman earns about $64,000 to as high as $136,000 annually. But this role isn't for the faint-hearted. From climbing 100-foot poles to handling high-voltage systems in extreme weather, becoming a lineman requires a combination of technical and physical skills. One of the essential qualities of a line worker is physical fitness. Climbing poles and handling equipment requires strength and endurance. Next is attention to detail. Spotting small issues before they escalate prevents accidents, improves system reliability, and maintains compliance with safety standards. Problem-solving skills are also one of the major skills you need. Quick decision-making in high-pressure situations is crucial when resolving unexpected issues. Lastly, teamwork. Linemen often work in crews and often rely on each other for communication and coordinated efforts. So, how one can become a lineman? Complete high school education or earn a GED. Focus on courses like math, science, and industrial trade class, as they lay the groundwork for technical skills you'll use daily. A strong academic foundation is key when applying to lineman apprenticeships or trade schools. Attend a lineman training program. Look for accredited trade schools or community college programs where you'll learn the basics of climbing, safety, and electrical systems. While not mandatory, attending a trade or line school can give you a competitive edge. Secure an apprenticeship. This is where the real learning happens, since you'll work under experienced professionals to learn skills like pole climbing, line maintenance, and safety protocols. Apprenticeships can take 3 to 4 years but prepare you for every challenge. Research lineman program opportunities through unions or local utility companies to find the best fit for your goals. Licensing or certification is the final step, and requirements vary by state. Passing your journeyman lineman certification will open the doors to higher pay and more responsibilities. Additional qualifications like the commercial driver's license or OSHA safety training can also give you an edge. As you gain experience, you can move into supervisory roles, project management, or even training positions. The demand for linemen is on a steady rise, making it a stable and lucrative career choice. Now that you know how to become a lineman, it's time for you to take the first step. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more career guides and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.